Yeah, I've been cooking with pasta since a very young age. My dad, he passed along some recipes from my Nonna. That was kind of my introduction into my Italian heritage. Unfortunately, my Nonna passed away when I was young, but my dad definitely was a bit of an influence there for me, just talking about the traditions, about them making wine in the backyard in Canada, and you can throw the pasta at the wall, and if that's how your Nonna knows how the pasta was ready, that's what she always tell him. So that part of my heritage is part of the reason why I like to make fresh pasta, and definitely kind of honed that skill when I was in Scotland at restaurant Martin Wishart, won Michelin star. We were making stuffed pastas every day, making tortellinis, raviolis, different fillings. It was definitely a creative way that I could express myself. The things that I consider when I'm creating a dish are the balance of the dish, the texture, the flavor profile. And in Orso, we like to take the skill sets, kind of modernize those classical techniques. We really, as a culinary team, get to change things and work with different ingredients, kind of push our skill set. The best thing about Orso Trattoria is the ability for us to be creative on a daily basis. I'm Gabriel Uggenti, head chef at Orso Trattoria.